I'm Deneice Kinghorn. I'm a second-year teacher at Shandong Normal University in Jinan. I teach mostly English majors. They're freshman and sophomore students. My first semester teaching, I noticed that there were some, these handful of students who had English that was really, really good. And so I took the opportunity to talk to them. Why is your English so good? To find out what they did in their lives. Some of them had special schooling experience, but most of them used it all the time. They either listened to it, they sang songs. So I decided that in order to help everyone improve their English, that I would have that as an element of my class requirement. They would do it outside of class. I set a limit of how many minutes I wanted them to spend doing these types of things outside of class. And they got to choose what they did. They could watch movies, they could talk to someone in English, they could sing English songs, anything that got them using verbal English skills and comprehension skills. So I started that into my second semester. So I've had 2 semesters of teaching with this as part of my program, and I have seen improvement. And the reason I've seen improvement, so much improvement, is that I've had the same students marching along with them. And so I've been able to see their improvement in English, and I attribute their improvement mostly to that they were willing to dive into working outside of class and immerse themselves in